Now we have to cut 15 pipes of 500 mil. This is just to connect each frame, and make some holes with 5 mil bits, like this one. You can hold and then go through the other side and here. All of them have to make a hole and go through the other side. All piece of this have to make one here, other here, all of them. Okay, after this hole, to make some holes here, and then you can put pipe and make a hole coming through the other side. We have to prepare 6 pipe of 1.5 meter in length. This pipe have a 75 mil of diameter, 75, and the first one from the edge to the middle of the first hole should be 200 mil, and the first one from the first one to the second ones 202, and then 200 between each holes. And the second pipe from the edge to the first should be 100 to make a hole not a line, just first one hole here, other here, other here, other here, to make it more distributed, each one. And to build the hole, have to use this 50 mil diameter, and you can do each hole with this one. Okay, now let's build this little part here. Internal should be 16 mil. 16 mil internal, because inside that should be this little pipe, which is 16 mil too. And this one will be like this one in the pipe. And now we have to put in the center of this one, and find the middle of the one, and we have to count outside, should be a little bit more bigger, and I have 20 millimeters, and in this one I can find a 20 millimeter size here, and then put a cable tie just to mark, make sure I don't pass through this. This 20 was my measurement. Once doing that, and let's apply to inside and put that. That's it. Okay, put this little piece here and go inside, pressure. That's it. Okay.